How to use charts in Exness App. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, tap on the trade section to access the available markets. Select the instrument you want to analyze, for example, Euro or USD, and tap on it to open the trading interface. Now tap on the candles icon to view chart type options such as line, bars, candles, or hollow candles. You can switch between chart types depending on your preference and analysis style. You can choose different time frames such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day depending on your trading strategy. This allows you to analyze short-term or long-term market trends effectively. To use the chart tools available in the app, draw trend lines, mark support and resistance levels, and add technical indicators like moving averages or RSI, tap the indicator button and select more indicators from the drop-down menu. Then tap on Switch Now when asked to switch to the TradingView terminal for enhanced charting features. After analyzing the chart, you can decide whether to place a buy or sell order based on the market trends and indicators you observed. Regularly checking and understanding charts in Exness will help you make smarter trades, manage risks better, and increase your chances of consistent profits. Now you know how to use charts in the Exness app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.